I've got my jack placed under the front bolt for the lower control arm. Now we're going to take these tabs off. All you do is twist them. See, it started to come off. And then I'm going to use my leg to just hold it up while I get the other ones off. See, there's another one right there. And now that one's loose. And then I'm going to crawl back under here. And then there's one more right there. Of course, this one wants to be difficult, but maybe. First thing I'm doing is taking my floor jack and I'm just releasing the tension off my torque strut. And then I'm going to take my 1/2-inch gear wrench ratchet with a 15mm socket and I'm going to break this loose. Then I'm going to break the other side loose. And I can tell there's a bit of tension on here still, but I think it's going to be fine. And then I'm going to come in with the best ratchet ever, Milwaukee High Speed. Well, let's see if we can jack this up and just take a little tension off of this front bolt. How'd that do? Here, let's go back to the Milwaukee. Let's go back to the gear wrench. So what we're gonna do here, grab us a little pry bar, some So that's a little bit of a tight fit. I don't have my hammer with me, so I'm use the next best thing. Got my Knipex alligator pliers, link in the description below. I couldn't find a torque spec on these, so I'm just kind of getting them as tight as I can. Or, that's not what I meant. I couldn't find a torque spec on these, so I'm just getting them tight, like pretty tight, if you know what I mean, like half a UG. Then I'm going to release the tension on my engine. Now once again, I'm holding up this deal with my legs. That one seems like it's in there. I'll have to double check that. And I'm coming back over here to this side. Now let's come back in here. That one felt nice. This one gave me the most trouble last time. I actually used a set of slip joint pliers to get it out. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If you're interested in any of the tools that I used in this video, check the description for links. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Keep an eye up the hill, guys.